how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. Go to ChatGPT and type create a prompt for a viral YouTube thumbnail for, then paste here the video title. Now copy it from here. Then go to ideogram.ai. Paste here the prompt. From here select the size. I will keep 16:9. Then click generate. This AI generated a few thumbnails for my video. Open the thumbnail. From here download the best thumbnail you like.